Welcome back, traders, to our final installment for this week on the Nasdaq100 before we get into the overall weekly breakdown on the weekend. So this is going to be the last one for the week. It's an important one because we've got some news coming out tomorrow and we want to make sure that we're definitely on the right side of the coin, right? So with that all said and done, if you're new to this channel and you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification and drop us a like. I release videos pretty much every single day apart from Friday because obviously I need a rest, right? I need a break. So I take a break on a Friday, so you get it up to Thursday, and then we do a video on Saturday and a video on Sunday where we'll cover gold and we'll cover the Nasdaq100, and then it'll be like that up until Thursday the following week. Now, the reason why I'm saying all of that is because the videos are coming back to back to back. It's super important you hit that subscribe button and you turn on that notification. So as soon as I drop a video, you're going to be one of the first to see it. And what you can do is pop over and take a look, because this is real-time analysis. We're following the market in real time. We're not really doing hindsight analysis. We're trying to figure things out as market is moving, so we can make sure we will always have our best foot forward when new opportunities presents itself. So with all of that said and done, let's get into the analysis. So last video that I did, we was looking at this descending flag that we have over here, okay, and price is still playing around in it and it's still hovering around this FVG zone. I'm hoping that you all drew that on your chart, so at least you can track that along. Right now, these FVGs are derived from the day, so as you can see, it doesn't really make sense when you look at it in this kind of format because this is off the 1 hour time frame, but the FVG itself, all three are taken from the daily chart. So let me just show you, just in case you're just coming across this for the first time, right? So as you can see, FVG, we're on the daily chart right now. You can see FVG over here, the first one, the second one, and the third one. They're all here. Price is currently going into it and it is fulfilling this descending channel that it is now in. All right, that it is now in, and what we need to be mindful of is price behavior in this FVG, because right now as it stands, there is a high probability that price is going to push upwards, right? That probability is there, but what we don't know is when is it going to do that. When is that going to take place, right? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring in the news that we've got coming out just to see if there's anything that could help us navigate the situation. So as it stands, we're on the metals at the moment. We don't want this, right? We do not want this stuff. What we do want is we want the Forex information. So let's go into that. Let's grab the calendar out and the dates are all in line. Perfect. So as it stands, this evening there's going to be the Fed chair is going to be having a discussion. So the Fed chair is going to be saying what he needs to say, etc. So we can expect price to start to do things in this area, right? As a matter of fact, he's speaking right now. So right now, as in the at the time of the recording of this video, Jerome Powell is on the microphone saying whatever he needs to say, right? So this is happening right now. And market, if we go back to market, we can see there isn't really much movement going on right now, okay? There isn't really much things happening. I was actually expecting market to really do some interesting stuff, but it's not doing any of those. Let me get rid of these levels, as a matter of fact. So it's not doing any of those right now. So all we can do is wait and see what direction price is going to move in, because yes, it is in this FVG zone right here, and we are expecting market to make a decision. Now, we may get it tonight or we may get it tomorrow. And if you go back to the chart, we can see that if you go back to the data, we can see that we have core retail sales tomorrow at 1:30 p.m. GMT, and we have retail sales, right, at 1:30 GMT. So these two can have an impact, but if we look at the overall data for the week, it's been pretty much flat. So I expect these to be flat also, right? I expect it to be flat. So that's the vibe that I'm going off right now in regards to what market is doing. So first things first, let's take note in terms of where is everything right now. So as it stands, okay, it looks like we have the same situation that we have with gold. That Monday has turned out to be, has created the highest possibility of it being the high of this week as it stands, and we're waiting for the low to come in, right? Once the low comes in and price takes out this zone that I was talking about in the previous video, which I believe would have been on the Tuesday, right? Then we know that it's pushing up to create a new high. So trades from this level, in my opinion, trades from this level above this zone over here might be solid, might be 10 out of 10. And with me saying that, it's important I say this: I am not a financial advisor. I am not giving you financial advice. Everything you do is on you, and all I'm basically doing is sharing ideas to generate new ideas, right? To give us a better position as to how we can kind of move and behave in the market. That's all I'm basically doing. All the big boy decisions, you're going to be making those. Unfortunately, it's not going to be me, right? So with that said and done, right about now, you should be seeing two thumbs. One of those thumbs is going to be on backtesting videos, right? There's 21 videos. You can go check them out if you need help. And the other thumbnail is going to be to the previous video to this one. So whilst you head out to go and check those videos out, I will see you all on the next one.